lots of choice. Ribeyes, cut at 1.25 inches. You find them at HEB.
Yeah, we're ready. Hey, you guys ready? Red, white, and blue ready. We get them turkeys right here. Let's go. We're ready. Yes, sir. Grove, Texas.
Smoke devils all the way.
Both of them are winners. They're both good.
The turnout was great, especially for our first year. Everybody seems to be having a great time. The weather cooperated this weekend, thank God. Yeah, it's just awesome.
Gustan los bares y la desvelada, lunes a domingo y toda la semana. Me la paso alegre, disfruto la vida y así seguiré hasta mi último día.
To the first WBCA Red Wine and Barbecue event sponsored by HB, and we're super excited to be a continued sponsor for WBCA in multiple formats, but especially tonight because it's the first event such as this one, right, where the radio gets to have an experience to be able to barbecue, to be able to showcase what everybody has. As most of us know, right, someone mentioned right now like having a sasso from HB. We appreciate everything you guys do for us.